Good morning, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far. I have another wonderful opportunity to share with you. Of course, before we do that, just take a quick look here. Anything we do discuss is for information and educational purposes only. Now, I'm going to show you another beautiful example of how volume precedes price action, because listen, that's exactly how Hawkeye is built. Volume precedes price action. If we understand volume, we will then understand how price action follows. If we look at the center of the screen here, and I've really enlarged this so you can see it very well, that arrow, that red arrow pointing down, that big red top, that big engulfing bar there, that really pierced to the highest point before it completely sold off and painted us a red bar. What did that tell us? That told us that the sellers were stepping in and overtaking the buyers. Now, we know that when that happens, all we have to do is wait for our entry to set up on our faster time frame rather, our entry time frame, and then look to our supply and demand zones for where our target's going to be. Now, this did exactly what it was supposed to do. We had a short entry at 1842.9. This is on the gold futures, and our target was hit at the 60-minute demand zone at 1833.9. Now, how perfect did this transpire? You had plenty of opportunity to enter this trade, even with a little bit of price improvement if you were late to the party. And then, when it sold off, like the volume told us it was going to, it went directly to our target. We knew exactly where to take our trade off. We knew exactly where to book our profit because our indicators told us so. Now, all you have to do is A, of course, have the indicators, and B, understand how to use them, and C, have a trade plan. If you can put those three pieces together for yourself, you can very, very successfully identify these opportunities and take advantage of them. This could have been a very profitable intraday trade for those of you who like to trade this particular style. The beautiful part is, look at how easily it was identifiable. We knew, looking at our 6-minute chart, that the sellers had taken over from the buyers. We looked to our 60-minute supply and demand zones. We knew exactly where the price was selling from. We knew exactly where the price was going to and was likely to reverse. And then all we did was set up the trade. We took the trade, we got short, we hit our target, and guess what? We turned off the computer and we went on with our day because we made plenty of money to go out and do whatever it is we wanted to do. A problem is a chance for you to do your best. Every problem becomes an opportunity. Every bit of adversity that you encounter in your life becomes an opportunity. Guys, you have to look at things as the positive side of things. It doesn't matter how bad it is. There is something that comes from it, whether it be even a lesson, whether it be a learning experience, something. Now, I can tell you as a trader, I had to start trading, with eventually I went through the steps. I studied, I started trading, I built my trade plan, I started simulating trading, I back tested, then I finally went to real money, and then I've done that ever since. But even once, I started trading with real money and I found an issue, guess what? Even if it cost me some money, it was a learning experience. I won't make that mistake twice. And that's how you have to look at it. Instead of letting every disappointment or every bit of adversity or every problem deter you from achieving your goal, you have to use them as constructive drive. Take that and go, you know what? I screwed up, but I'm not going to screw up again. I learned something. Listen, a mistake is a mistake until it's done a second time. Then it becomes a choice. If we make a mistake and we learn from it, it served its purpose. If we make a mistake and we make the same mistake again, the second time it wasn't a mistake. It was a choice. Now, it is time for you to decide at every time you encounter a problem, are you going to take a chance to do your best with that problem? It's a personal question. It's something you should look yourself in the mirror and go, you know what? I'm struggling with this, but I'm going to fix it. Or this is a problem and I'm going to learn from it. And whatever that lesson becomes, that is what you need to take with you, and you need to carry that with you. And if you start to do that with every situation in your life, you will watch how quickly your life evolves into the place that you want it to be, as opposed to the place that it was. Now, if you guys are ready to get started, Great. There's a link directly right below this video. Click on it. It's going to take you to the Project VSwarm webinar where you will see yours truly. And I'm going to go over example after example after example of how volume precedes price action, how we utilize our indicators to capitalize on the market's opportunities. If you'd like to learn more about us as a company, head on over to HawkeyeTraders.com. Questions, comments, or concerns, always feel free to email us or give us a call. Now, guys, you are at a crossroads in your life. If you have not made a choice to do something, then you are going to do nothing. If Hawkeye or trading or investing isn't for you, then find what is. But if you believe that it might be, getting involved with us, is indicator-based, it's strategy-based, it's methodology-based, it's training-based. We are here to give you the tools you need to go from deciding that this is right for you to becoming, successful, profitable, and consistent. It just becomes a choice. So if you're facing a problem and you think that this may be a solution for you, decide if it's right, and we would love to welcome you to the Hawkeye family. Guys, stay well, stay healthy, enjoy your day. God bless you all, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.